A cruise missile is a smart flying weapon that moves like an aircraft and hits targets with high precision. These missiles are designed to fly low and avoid detection by radar systems.
The missile is launched from land, ships, or aircraft, using a powerful booster.
A booster rocket pushes the missile forward to gain initial speed.
After launch, the jet engine takes over and keeps the missile flying steadily. The missile flies at very low altitude to stay hidden from enemy radar. It uses GPS and onboard systems to navigate accurately toward the target.
The missile follows the shape of the land to avoid obstacles and detection. In the final phase, the missile locks onto its target using advanced sensors.
The warhead explodes on impact, causing powerful destruction. Cruise missiles can travel hundreds to thousands of kilometers at very low altitude. Unlike ballistic missiles, cruise missiles fly low and can change direction during flight.